How to reactivate Pinterest account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Pinterest application on your device and then tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now select on your profile at the top left corner, and here you can see the option of account management, so select on that. Now scroll down and here you can see the option of deactivate account. So first of all, tap on deactivate account and then tap on continue. Here it says that account has been deactivated. Now if you want to reactivate this Pinterest account, simply what you can do is just tap on the sign on option. So you can continue with Google, with Facebook, or just your email address. So I'm going to tap on continue with Google, and as I tap on continue with Google, you just have to select the account, and as you choose an account to reactivate your Pinterest account, you just have to make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. Now agree and share over here. As you agree and share, there you go, you have reactivated your Pinterest account. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.